wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
I come in peace. Do you understand me? I am Noah. I am human. Oh, hi kids from A to Z, from east to west. I'm Noah and welcome back to Dream Again. Kids, you gotta help me out. I have an alien guest here. Do you want to see? Here, alien, why don't you say hello? We're trying to figure out, look, oh my god. He has 3 eyes. 1, 2, 3. Can you see it? Can you see the eyes? I think I need to put back my helmet. Hold on. Hi, alien. What is your name? I don't have a name. I come in peace. I don't know peace. What? You don't know peace? I come in peace. From infinity and beyond. No, that's wrong. To infinity and beyond. I'm Buzz Lightyear. Whoa. Did you know that I'm an astronaut today? With the help of Buzz Lightyear, I've decided to become a space ranger. Do you kids like to be a space ranger? No? Well, one day I hope to go to space, and I hope to show you and explore space with you, because maybe Buzz can show us his home, hidden in his galaxy, and we can see aliens and find them. You don't think aliens exist? But look, there's an alien right here. Okay, well, kids, I don't know what to tell you. Oh, you don't understand me? Okay, well then let me put back my helmet. There we go. Do you understand me now? Yes? Okay, well, one day we're gonna go exploring together, aren't we, right? Yeah, come on all back. Buzz, come. You want to be back in here? Yeah. Oh, watch out, the alien, though. Oh, Buzz, you're stepping on the alien. Watch out. Oh, no. Whatever. Here, Rex, why don't you come as well? Yeah, Rex. See? Now we're all strangers.
Look out! Dinosaur overboard!
Dinosaur overboard? No, come back into our ship, Rex. We can't lose you to space. Okay, kids, let's get ready. We're gonna go on adventure tomorrow. Right? We're going to go on adventure, and let's see where it'll take us. So, come on and hop into our spaceship, and let's start our exploration. Let's go! Hey kids, wasn't that fun? Yeah, let me open up my helmet again. Wasn't that a fun exploration journey? Did you have fun on this adventure? That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Well, kids, I hope you will be able to join us again next time on our special journey, where we will get to know even more of space, because we only saw a little bit of it, right? And that was pretty cool. Did you see all of the stars? And the different planets? Did you see Earth? Wasn't that pretty fun? I know. I love going into space. And maybe, hopefully, one day I will be able to go to space. Wouldn't that be fun? Don't we all want to see how beautiful planet Earth is from space? Yeah, it's pretty nice. It is such a cool thing. Being an astronaut is a great and fun job, right? But it takes a lot of responsibility too, and a lot of training. But we're ready. And next time, I will train you and we'll go all together into space. Does that sound like a great idea? Okay, kids. Well, thanks for hopping on and joining me on this adventure. We hope to see you again on the next adventure, and we'll talk to you soon. So, see you next time. Bye! Okay, Rex, you can go back. You can go back to your dinosaur age. And Buzz, you go back to your spaceship. How about that, right? And Alien, we don't know what to do with you. Why don't you go back to your planet? Right there. Space Command, this is Noah. We are ready for liftoff. And we have liftoff. We're reaching the atmosphere. Yeah, I can see the Earth. Oh no, my helmet is going off. Okay, well kids, I think that's it. I should better go. See you next time. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.